Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Springday Mandarin black tea and Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you need to have this popcorn surfing cart. You can craft this item using your workbench, and once you have this item, you can buy the recipe from Massimo. And this is the recipe for Springday fruit black tea. And if you want to make the Springday Mandarin black tea, you just need to replace the ingredient with Mandarin. And I've already unlocked the recipe for the Mandarin black tea. So you will need the tea leaves and Mandarin, and also this Springday brown sugar. And I'm going to click on start cooking. Okay, and hold on, make sure that you have prepared the ingredients for the Springday fruit black tea. All right, it's almost done. Oh, one more time. Okay, and done. I've just made the Springday Mandarin black tea. Okay guys, and that's how you can make the Springday Mandarin black tea drink in Heartopia game Dreamlight Cinematic Festival event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!